Before removing the IDG, the engine must be shut down for at least 5 minutes to prevent burns, because the oil stays hot for a few minutes. First of all, the IDG must be drained and the oil tubes disconnected and removed. Also, remove the banjo couplings and note their initial position. Then, disconnect the 3 electrical connectors from the IDG. Remove the cover plate of the IDG terminal box and disconnect the output cables. Next, place the special dolly in position and raise it up to the IDG. When the IDG is on the dolly, release the quick attach-detach coupling. Then pull the IDG forward to disengage it.